Close in on that 200-meter mark. Canaveral looks to have a slight edge. We're still waiting for that really tight race today, folks. This might be the one. And at the 200-meter buoy, Canaveral out front, but side by side with them, Charge and Walgreens maximum velocity. So 175 to go. That's it. Make some noise, folks. Sound travels on water. Let them hear you. You got Manatee out front there in lane number 3. And Manatee trying to hold on. They've got maybe a 3 or 4 seat lead. Side by side with C.H.A.R.G.E and Walgreens maximum velocity. Here they come. The pace is picking up now. 50 meters to go. Looks like first place is going to go to Manatee. Manatee with a half-boat lead, but we got a battle for second. Slight lead for Walgreens. C.H.A.R.G.E is trying to put the charge on. 10 meters to go. Manatee crosses. Here comes C.H.A.R.G.E in lane 2. This one's close. Wow, our angle, it looked like C.H.A.R.G.E, but we are a bit of an angle. We're going to wait